Hey guys, welcome back. So headed back to Okuibuki this time. So there's another 3 layouts I wanted to try out. So it actually really fascinated me when I found out this was a ski resort that they convert for use in motorsport during the off season. So we're also going to be in a S14 Zenki this time. So if we have a look at that, this one doesn't have too much details on it, just that it has a KA24 DET and makes 337 wheel horsepower with 373 newton meters and sits at 1,250 kilos. So with that, let's jump in. All right, so we're just in an open layout, free roam, I should say. So I think this was car park 3. So if you come across to this section, it's another big car park, which leads to a ramp for the lower section. And these are the 2 main areas here and up the top where they use drift layouts. So if we head out to the main road here, or the main part, you'll see this is the area from the FDJ layout. So you come down the hill and this is where the start was, down here. So if we follow this around, this is the full loop of the toge. So come back down, so car park 6, there's another skid pan in there they use. So the toge follows down here, across the bridge, up into this tight little section through the trees, which comes to, what's that, car park 9. It then keeps going around, and this section here, there's big bumps. Yep. Whoop, another one. Guess that's another car park. It's under the building in this tight little section. Around the top. And then, so this section was the top of the FDJ layout. And then we'll loop back through here. Cut up here, so back to car park 3. And so this is where we started. All right, so I'm just going to change over to one of the drift layouts. All right, we swapped over to the D1 GP layout. So we're starting in this top car park. So we'll just go around to the top. So you squeeze through here. All right, you can see you got the start line here. So it comes down the ramp. So you build up speed here. Around the outside. Look it back around the other way. And through the finish. So we can drive back around the top. Back around the outside. Alright, through the start line again. So I'm just going to use second gear. Alright, entry. See if we can get close to that witch's hat. I don't know if that's the inner clip or not. Probably a bit shallow. And through the exit, and we'll do one more of this layout before we swap over. Just cut through. Alright, the start line. Alright, bit of a run up. Just handbrake entry. Try and keep it in close to Luch's heart. Over rotated a bit too much. Handbrake to get back around. So I washed, last time I went shallow, that time I washed out too much. Across the finish line. Alright, so I'm going to swap over to the next layout now. Alright, so we're in another layout this time, the Formula Drift Japan 2 course. So it's like, yep, the pit's up the top again, but no run down the ramp this time. So this starts at the bottom and it's the whole bottom car park this time. So this one has solid riches hats. This has zones again, so we'll see how we go. Really stuffed it up in that last section, but this is the FD, yeah, I think I already said the FDJ2 layout. And I gotta watch those riches hats. So just second gear. Just the radius starts to get tighter. And then that back section throws me a bit. This one's fairly short, so we might do two more. Just come down in second gear. Probably nowhere near the zones. That last section really gets me. I'll have another go anyway. So just try to keep it to the outside. Nowhere near it. I might just have one more go. I really would like to get that last section correct, but... Alright, second, handbrake. Just hold it out. Just take out the hats. Alright, that's the FDJ2 layout. Gonna swap over to the Toge now. Alright guys, we're on the Toge track now. So this one's a bit more difficult, but we'll see how we go. Alright, so you come down here to the start of the FDJ layout, you go reverse. Come down the bottom here. Yep, straight into the wall. Down the bottom section. Cut through here and across the bridge. Up around this back section. Too far. Through the car park. There's a big bump here. To the next car park. Gotta slow it down a bit. Second gear through there. The top section of the FDJ layout. And then flick it back around for the bottom. So in the interest of time for the video, I'll probably just edit in my best lap after this. I don't normally do that, but this layout's a bit, difficult. So I'll just edit in my best one. Alright, another lap. Third at the pole, gonna kick it around. It's pretty rough there. Just try and hold the car. So shave off some speed so I don't run into that wall. Second gear for this little section here. See if we can hold it across the bridge. Brake and handbrake for the little section up the hill. Shift into third, start building some speed. Try and flick it in. Try and hold it for the bump. Alright, under the bridge here, handbrake. Try and keep it out. Top section of the FPJ layout. Just use second. Keep it going. So that was 3 different layouts, Okuibuki. There's a few more to try, but the Toge is really quite fun when you get it right. It's probably my favorite layout of these 3. But with that, thanks for watching, guys.